Welcome to another video. The most important step for any character creation is gathering the right amount of references. So this is very important stage because if you do not gather the references, you may not get the accurate results. So I actually collect the references from various sources like Pinterest. So I find, because we are creating a chimp, so I'm finding the chimp from various angles and downloading it. And you can check on any stock images and any reference images. I also check that how to create this on chimp 3D sculpt. So actually it gives me an idea that how other artists have sculpted the chimpanzee. So you just get a good idea, you just to understand this, that how some other artists have actually approached the chimpanzee creation. Alright, so this is going to be referencing, and we are also taking the inspiration that how we can approach our character and make it better. So to save the time, I have already collected some references that I have collected. So some are sculpted by some other artists and some are taken references from the movies and some with the real life. So I have collected references from the different angles, like this is the side view, this is from the top view, and I have also collected this skull references. The reason why the skull is important because it defines the overall shape of any creature, any character. So you need to understand the shape of the skull, and that's why it is very important. So first we are going to create the skull to get the right proportion, right shape. In Zbrush, if you want to make any character creature believable, you first need to think of where the bones are coming out. So where is the bony area and where the bone touch the skins, and where is the flesh is coming, where the muscles are going to become. So that's how a character becomes more believable, more realistic. So this is it. So gather the as much references you can, and I will see you on the next video.